Met Department has predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall for the next 5 days in Chennai, Chengalpat and Kanchipuram districts. Holiday declared for schools in Chennai, Kanchipuram and Chengalpat, and incessant rains late last night for at least 4 hours have left many areas inundated. These are the visuals that we are bringing to you from Ashok Nagar, which in fact is one of the low-lying areas, and every time it rains, this area also is waterlogged. And now the water levels have receded. The reason being the rains stopped in the wee hours, and now once again it started raining. So if there are continuous rains, then the water will not be cleared and the water levels will only increase. Late last evening, the water levels were in fact more because of incessant rains. The Met Department says that till early morning today, at least 10 centimeter rainfall has been recorded across the city, and for the next 5 days it is going to rain continuously, and there are going to be heavy and very heavy rains in Chennai. That's the Met Department, and you can see commuters struggling to commute. In fact, you can see two-wheelers, autos, cars trying to use these areas, trying to pass through these waterlogged areas, but there are also barricades in place. The Tamil Nadu government has issued an advisory asking people to stay indoors and step out only if it's necessary. Once again, advisory given to fishermen to not venture out into the sea, and for those who are already out, they've been asked to return. And here you can see barricades in place stopping cars, autos from coming through this particular stretch because it's waterlogged. Remember, the water levels were knee deep yesterday, but because the rains receded in the wee hours today, the water levels have receded. However, now that the rains have already started in parts of the city, we'll have to wait and see the problems that commuters face, especially office goers, because there are many waterlogged areas in Ashok Nagar, KK Nagar, T Nagar and North Chennai, and people in fact have been complaining, and the corporation officials are monitoring the situation. Corporation officials have in fact issued helpline numbers. Emergency services are also ready in case people want to complain. But so far the situation has not been bad, but if it's going to rain continuously for the next few hours, then the commuters, people and the residents in these low-lying areas will be impacted.